Into the wild Parvati Valley awaits. Parvati Valley, a trekker's paradise. Nestled in the Indian Himalayas, this valley calls to adventurers. The Tosh to Kheerganga trek is a true gem. This journey will test you. It will also reward you. Get ready to witness breathtaking beauty. Prepare to connect with nature's raw power. This trek is not for the faint of heart. But don't worry, I'll be your guide. We'll navigate dense forests. We'll cross rushing streams. We'll conquer steep climbs. Along the way, you'll learn essential survival skills. Trust your instincts, respect the mountains, most importantly, never give up. This is more than just a trek, it's a journey of self-discovery. Are you ready? Let's go! Tosh village, a Himalayan hideaway. Our adventure begins in Tosh. This small village clings to the mountainside. It's a place where time seems to stand still. Ancient traditions thrive here. The air is filled with the scent of pine and wood smoke. Take some time to explore, wander through the narrow lanes, soak up the local culture. You'll be greeted with warm smiles. The villagers are known for their hospitality. They'll share stories of the mountains. You might even hear tales of mythical creatures. Before we start our trek, we need supplies. Stock up on water and snacks. A sturdy walking stick is essential. The terrain can be challenging. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every moment of this incredible journey. The climb begins. Our journey starts at the trailhead in a quaint mountain village where the air is fresh and the excitement palpable. Through forests and meadows we embark on an adventure that promises both challenge and beauty. We leave Tosh behind and enter the wilderness where the true essence of nature awaits us. The trail winds its way uphill. The air grows cooler, a refreshing change as we ascend. The sounds of civilization fade away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and distant bird calls. We're surrounded by nature's symphony, a harmonious blend of sounds that soothes the soul. The path takes us through dense forests, where the canopy above forms a natural roof. Towering pine trees reach for the sky, their branches swaying gently in the breeze. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The forest floor is carpeted with pine needles. Listen carefully, and you might hear the crunch underfoot. You might hear the chirping of birds, their melodies adding to the forest's charm. Keep an eye out for wildlife. The forest is alive with creatures, each playing its part in this ecosystem. This forest is home to a variety of creatures, from the smallest insects to larger mammals. We emerge from the forest into open meadows, where the landscape changes dramatically. Wildflowers paint the landscape in vibrant colors, a feast for the eyes. Butterflies flutter in the breeze. The views are breathtaking, a reminder of nature's beauty. Mountain peaks pierce the clouds, standing tall and majestic. We're getting closer to our goal, each step bringing us nearer to the summit. But the toughest challenges are yet to come. The path ahead is steep and demanding, but we are ready. Section 4, Nature's Power, Rudranag Waterfall. The roar echoes through the valley. We're approaching Rudranag Waterfall, a place where nature's raw power is on full display. This is a sight you won't soon forget. The sheer force and beauty of the waterfall are truly awe-inspiring. A torrent of water cascades down the mountainside, creating a mesmerizing and powerful spectacle. It's a display of nature's raw power, a reminder of the untamed beauty that exists in the world. Take a moment to catch your breath and soak in the surroundings. The energy here is palpable. Feel the spray of the waterfall on your face. It's invigorating and refreshing. A true connection with nature. This is a sacred place for locals where rituals are performed to honor the natural world. Legend has it that the waterfall is named after Lord Shiva, adding a layer of spiritual significance to its natural beauty. He is said to have meditated here, making it a place of deep spiritual energy and tranquility. The air is filled with negative ions, which are believed to have numerous health benefits. They say it's good for the soul. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, let the natural energy rejuvenate you. Feel the stress melt away as you immerse yourself in this serene environment. We're surrounded by nature's energy, a perfect place to reconnect with the earth. It's time to recharge our own batteries, to find peace and strength in this natural wonder. The final push to Kheerganga awaits, but for now, let's savor the moment at Rudranag Waterfall. Section 5, Kheerganga's Embrace. Hot springs and high spirits. The air is thin, our legs are burning, but we push on. Finally, we reach our destination, Kheerganga, a high-altitude meadow, home to a sacred hot spring. We made it. The views are stunning. Snow-capped peaks rise up all around us. We feel on top of the world, but the real reward awaits: the hot springs. Submerge yourself in the warm, mineral-rich water. It's the perfect way to soothe tired muscles. As the sun sets, the sky explodes in color. We share stories of our adventure. We've faced our fears, we've pushed our limits, and we've emerged stronger. This is what it's all about. This is the spirit of adventure. Section 6. Planning your adventure essential tips. Ready to embark on your own Kheerganga adventure? It's an experience that promises breathtaking views and unforgettable memories. Here's what you need to know to make the most of your journey. The best time to visit the trek is accessible from April to October. During these months, the weather is generally favorable, offering clear skies and pleasant temperatures. Monsoon season in July and August can be challenging. Trails may be slippery and dangerous due to heavy rainfall. Difficulty. This is a moderate to challenging trek. It requires a good level of fitness and stamina. Be prepared for steep climbs and changing weather conditions. The weather in the mountains can be unpredictable, so always be ready for sudden changes. What to pack? Pack light, but bring essentials. Your backpack should include items that will keep you safe and comfortable. Water, snacks, rain gear, and warm clothing are crucial. Layering is key to adapting to the varying temperatures. Don't forget a first aid kit. It's essential for handling minor injuries and emergencies. Permits. No permits are required for the trek. This makes planning easier, but always check for any updates or changes in regulations. Accommodation. Basic campsites are available in Kheerganga. These campsites offer a place to rest and enjoy the natural beauty around you. Book in advance during peak season. Respect the environment and fellow trekkers by keeping noise levels down and following campsite rules. Pack out what you pack in. This means taking all your trash with you to keep the trails clean. Leave no trace of your presence. This helps preserve the natural beauty for others to enjoy. Let's keep this pristine environment pristine for generations to come. Your efforts in maintaining cleanliness make a big difference. The Tosh to Kheerganga trek is an experience you won't forget. The stunning landscapes and serene environment will stay with you long after the trek is over. It's a journey into the heart of the Himalayas. You'll find yourself surrounded by towering peaks and lush valleys, a test of your limits. The trek will challenge you physically and mentally, pushing you to your boundaries. And a chance to connect with nature's raw power. The untouched beauty of the Himalayas is a reminder of the power and majesty of nature. Are you up for the challenge? Prepare well, respect the environment, and enjoy the adventure of a lifetime.